Today I'm going to show how to use a simple scarf as an aid to feeding a baby in a cross cradle position. You can use any kind of scarf as long as it's about twice the length of your arm. You can use a woven scarf, something that's a bit stretchy, whatever you have to hand that you think will be comfortable to wear. I'm going to bring it onto one shoulder and I'm going to tie a double knot securely. Where the bottom of the loop is where the baby's bottom will be. So on my body, I think I would want the baby's bottom to be about here. So I'm going to make it a little bit tighter. And then I'm going to move the knot onto my back. I'm now ready to use this to support the baby to feed on either side. If I'm feeding on the opposite side to the shoulder that's covered, I'll have better visibility, but I can use it on both sides without having to move the scarf. Now I'm using a newborn sized demo doll to show the position that you would put a baby into. I'm going to do my best to handle the doll as you would a newborn baby. You can feed on either side without having to move the scarf, but in usual terms, if you're feeding on the side opposite to the covered shoulder, then you get better visibility of the baby's face, so I'll show that first. So I've just brought the sling behind the baby's knees and I'm holding the baby fully in one arm. I'm going to find the edge of the fabric and I'm going to bring that over the baby's back while my arm is still supporting the baby. You can see this bottom edge here is going down. I want to bring that up between us, so if I just follow that edge down, I can bring that fabric up so you can see that it's here. I can now bring my arm out and let the fabric take the weight of the baby's bottom. We want baby to have one arm either side of the breast. We want to be supporting the back of their neck, and we want the scarf to go from neck to knees, no higher. We want the baby's bottom to be in a pouch, and we want to be aware of any drip hazards around us. Having supported the baby's bottom, you now have an extra hand that you can use to help the baby to latch, or feed yourself, or have a drink, or read a book, whatever you need to do. Having finished feeding on this side, if you want to feed on the other side, you have options. So I could start to move the fabric around as I ease the baby around, and then I could feed on this side. It really depends on the shape of your chest and how you feel about handling your baby in this position, but their knees are supported by the sling, and you can bring your arm to support their shoulders, and you have one hand again to help to latch them. If you don't want to do that and you want to take the baby out of the scarf, you can bring in my arm to support the baby, bring it over their head, bring the baby to upright, turn the baby to the other side, and bring it behind their knees again, and spread it, and pull this fabric up between you, supporting the back of the neck. You're ready to go again. On this side, there's the issue that you can't see the baby's face, which is not safe. So if I pull it down and up, then you can see the baby's face. If you don't want to do that, you can just pull it out of the way. You need to always be able to see your baby's airway is clear and visible.